hot like summer. Baby, let me love ya. Baby, what's your number? Baby, come to my area. Let me hold you till the morning. Show you a little something. Baby, what's your answer? Let me be your lover. Girl, you did make me shiver when you did face me. Your beauty did amaze me. Cause you know you're slick queen. Oh yeah, fine, fine girl. All the girls I can't fit. Oh yeah, fine, fine girl. Baby, make we dey go. I admire for your body, yeah. See this fire for your body, yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Grace. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, of course, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick makeup tutorial on this gorgeous bright summer look I got going on here. Y'all already know how it is. I like to just pop in on YouTube sometimes, just spice it up a little bit. That's what this tutorial is all about, spicing it up, and you guys will see something nothing really new in my foundation routine, just a lot more different and like full freaking coverage. Y'all can take me swimming on this with this on and it ain't going nowhere, you know what I mean? But I hope you guys are excited for this tutorial because I am super amped for you guys to see it. With that being said, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you can be notified every time I upload. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It is right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get started with this tutorial.
fire, you're killing them. Yeah, girl, it's you. I want to make my boo, baby, you. Now you be my breakthrough. Girl, you fire, yeah. Hot like summer.
Alright guys, I hope you guys did enjoy that makeup tutorial. Like I said, it's supposed to be something fun and bright, just a quick summer get ready with me. If you guys did like this tutorial, please give this tutorial a thumbs up. If you guys have any other videos you'd like to see on my channel, feel free to comment it below. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, thank you so very much for stopping by. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell on so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And just in case you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It is right there on the screen. Make sure you follow me, add me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on our channel, and I will see you guys in our next upload. Bye!